Welcome to TESOL Australia's 140-hour International TESOL Certificates virtual tour. When you first log into your course, you'll see the introduction video, and we recommend watching this as it's going to train you all about how to navigate the course site, what units you have, and how to use the dashboard and other features of your course. Now let's take a look at some of those features. First of all, at any time if you need to ask questions of a qualified trainer, you can click on the message app and chat in the chat room with the trainer, and that will get you the help and support you need about navigating your course or the course itself, questions about what you're doing and how to complete it. Another great feature is the TESOL guidebook here. You can actually print out this entire book and take it on a USB and have it printed bound if you'd like to have a hard copy. Another feature of your course is, of course, the progress bar, and here you can see where you're up to at any time. So in green it highlights and there's the title of the unit you've completed, and red shows you what you still have to complete. Now all your units are available to you immediately, but we do ask you to complete each unit in turn. So let's take a sneak peek into Unit 1, one of the units. Now here in this short introductory unit, you'll see that you have videos, readings, quizzes, and tasks. So when you click on the video, this will give you instruction, it will give you training, it's going to demonstrate how to complete your tasks, and it's also going to explain to you how this and what you're learning fits into the TESOL industry. Now at any time you can click back on the breadcrumb trail into that unit where you were previously, and the next thing that you'll do is a reading. Now these are from the TESOL guidebook, but they're specially broken up to be related just to what you're doing at that time. Now the best way to do the readings is to right click, open it in a new tab, and have them available to you at any time. So you can just click on a reading and you can read each chapter as you go and keep that chapter available to you. And so you can go back to your course by clicking the previous tab. Now let's take a look at a quiz that you might complete. So here we click on the quiz, add submission, and you can see this is a true or false quiz. And as you go through your complete, go to the next page. Now at any time, you could go back to your readings and get information you need to complete your quizzes. So it is open book style. Now going back on that breadcrumb trail again, we see that we have the next task is another quiz, and then further down you'll see another video with training, another reading, and here we have a blue task. So these are ones that you will actually submit to a trainer for marking. So you have a couple of videos to read, and here are your instructions telling you what you need to do once you have viewed the videos. Again, you click add submission. The videos are available to you so that you can go back and look at them at any time. And here you'll actually type in your answer according to what you've been told to write here in your explanation and your task. So going back on that breadcrumb trail again, we're going to go back and we're going to have a look again at the further tasks that you have. So very easy, very simple to follow, each task after the other. Now, once you submit a task, you don't have to wait for that marking to come back to move on to the next section. You're free to move through the course and marking will come back to you within that 12 to 24-hour period. But in the meantime, you're not wasting time because you're completing other tasks in your course. Now, all of these units as a whole are here to train you to be able to teach overseas, to teach online. We have a fantastic unit here which is teaching online, and also to private tutor. So there's work available within Australia doing private teaching, study tour work, working online to schools that are overseas, and we have guaranteed job interviews for this for you once you complete your course. And we also cover all areas of teaching children, adults, and business English so that when you're teaching overseas, you are fully equipped and ready to teach in any field that you might be asked to. So thank you for taking this virtual tour of the 140-hour International TESOL Certificate course.